Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about writing assembly code, profiling and cycle counting. Okay, first we will see about writing assembly code. So we all learned about the instructions of ARM. So we can start writing the code, assembly code. Okay. First one C program is given. It prints the square value of integer from 0 to 9. So we all know this program. So I will tell you how to convert this C program into assembly code. Okay. First, in the assembly code we have to write this line area, comma, code, comma, read only. So area is the integer. We can specify any area where the code lives in. Okay, if we are using any non-alphabetic character, then that should be written inside the barcodes. Okay, next code is the code segment, because we are writing the code. That means the programming will be stored in the code segment only. So the segment is code. And next, the type of the code segment. Type of the code segment is read only. Okay, so we are specifying the type of the code segment memory, that is read only memory. Then export integer. It makes the square symbol to be available for the external linking. Then we are calling square. So when the square is called, we can start this assembly instruction part mul r1 comma r0 comma r0. So the first operand, the first integer is r0. The r0 register is multiplied with r0, and the result is stored in r1 register. Actually the result also should be r0 register, but in the multiplication instruction we have a restriction that the third operand cannot be same as the first operand. So we are writing r1. So in the next instruction I am moving r1 content to the r0 register. Okay. Next, once this is over, then we can come out of the square. So for that I have to write move pc comma lr. Move pc comma lr. So lr, this is for returning. So lr address will be moved to pc register so that program can come out of this square. Then by writing this end directive, I am ending this square routine. Okay. Next, example 2. See, in this example the same square program only, but here we used, when calling ARM code from C compiled as thumb, the only change required to do is to change the return instruction to BX. This BX will return to ARM or thumb state according to the bit 0 of LR. Therefore, this routine can be called from ARM or thumb. We can use BX, branch exchange LR. Instead of using MOV PC comma LR, we can use BX LR. This is the only difference here. See, in this program we used move PC comma LR, but here instead of that, for returning we are using branch exchange with LR. So this is nothing but moving LR value to the PC program counter. Next one is profiling and cycle counter. Profiler is a tool that measures the propagation of time or processing of cycle spent in each subroutine. Next, cycle counter. It is also a tool that is used to measure the number of cycles taken by the specific routine. Next, the ARM simulator used by the ADS 1.1 debugger is called as emulator. Emulator means it's the combination of profiler and cycle counter. This emulator profiler works by sampling the program counter at regular intervals so that it can find the functions of the program counter and also the interval of the functions. Okay, so these are about profiling and cycle counting. Thank you.